Hello, I am Petr Schnabel, doctor in geophysics, and I work as a project leader at the GeoEnergy Concept. Today, I will introduce you to the installation methods of horizontal collectors. The design of the horizontal heat exchanger must take into account the soil type, the depth of the solid rock, the thermal conductivity, the size of the plots, and the climatic conditions. For planning and calculations, should we use the adequate norms? For example, the German norm VDI 4640 Part 2, or Swedish Guidance for Drilling Wells number 16. Loop configurations include straight pipe runs or slinky coils, affecting heat transfer and land use. Trenches are dug with minimal surface disruptions, so in cold climates they may be deeper. Straight layouts sometimes require full surface excavation. Commonly used pipe materials include high-density or cross-linked polyethylene for their durability and corrosion resistance. Electrofusion welding ensures secure, leak-free joints. The backfill is often the original soil, which must be well compacted to maintain thermal contact and avoid air pockets. Trench stability is vital to avoid cave-ins. In most of Europe, trenches deeper than 1.3 meters require casing or sloped walls before worker entry. So the workers must not enter the trench when placing the pipes in the need of entering the trench, they have to use proper casing or sloping walls. All utilities must be fined and marked in advance to prevent damage to water, gas, or electrical lines during digging. Only trained personnel should operate the trenching equipment. Workers must wear personal protective equipment such as helmets, boots, and gloves in order to minimize injury risks. After installation, pressure testing ensures the system is leak-free. Final inspections verify secure connections, proper backfilling, and site safety. Trenches should be narrow to preserve undisturbed soil. Restoring topsoils is necessary to protect the ecosystem. Closed-loop system reduce groundwater risk, but antifreeze spills must still be prevented. Thank you for watching this video.